This video is not about making money via YouTube automations. No, I'm not talking about faceless YouTube channels. No, I'm not talking about that. If you're going to stick to the end, I'm going to tell you how you can start an agency. Again, this video is all about starting an agency, but you got to stay till the end. So the catch is you can also start making money, and exactly, you don't need to start a YouTube channel for it. But how? That's what we are going to talk in this video. I really request you guys to just watch every single minute of this video, because it's going to be extremely valuable for you guys. I wouldn't actually call myself a hardcore aggressive YouTuber yet, because I barely have any subscribers. It's just 7,000 8,000 subscribers I currently have, and I'm still looking to grow, right? But when I first started my YouTube channel, I was in a position like I didn't had any knowledge about video editing, any knowledge about YouTube algorithm, any knowledge about how to do SEO, what things to add in the description, how to have like SEO titles, in your videos. Like no idea about thumbnails, nothing. I was shooting these videos, I was putting these videos out there, editing myself, making thumbnails on Canva, and expecting my channel would blow out. Guess what? What happened? Nothing. After a year, my channel just had like barely 200 300 subscribers, and like my every single video was getting around like 100 200 300 views. That's it. And most importantly, like as a YouTuber, when you're first starting out, you barely have any idea like what's the best time to upload your videos, so that you can get as many as engagement and views possible. If you're smart enough, by now you would have guessed it. In this video, we will be talking about how we can solve these problems of all the new YouTubers who are just starting out, or some mid-range YouTubers who are still struggling to grow, and how we can make money. And exactly in this video, we'll be talking about how to start your own agency by offering services all around YouTube. Do you know like what's the one thing to actually grow your YouTube channel? It's all about knowledge. And if you have enough knowledge all around YouTube, it would be so freaking easy for you guys to grow on YouTube. Get your channel monetized, get those first 1,000 2,000 subscribers, and start making money. But obviously that's not a point of this video. I'm just telling as a YouTuber, that's like what our desires and what our purposes, and that's exactly what we gotta do. If you really want to make money online, you would need a skill. And if you think like you can really make money online without a skill, then hats off to you guys. Obviously, like once in a while you can put your money down in crypto market or something, and you seem to just make a lot of money. And that happened a lot of times in the past with just 12 13 years old guys, right? But here we are actually talking about something, a business which we can rely and sustain on. We need a long-term business, so we will be helping these YouTubers with what's the best time to post the videos. We will be telling them all about YouTube algorithm. We will be editing their videos, we will be creating their thumbnails, we will be doing the SEO of their channel, we will be maybe help them sell their courses. We will design their descriptions, having a strong SEO, engaged titles. We will be just doing entire YouTube management for these guys. And like how much time consuming this is. And for that, you would need the knowledge. I just mentioned you need a skill to make money. And I would definitely suggest, if you really want to start an agency all around YouTube, managing YouTube channels and whatnot, you would require that skill. You should know how YouTube algorithm works. And for that, you gotta learn everything first. So go on YouTube right now and just learn everything possibly you can. As a YouTuber, when I first started out, my main priority was to actually, obviously guys, I was providing a lot of value back then, and still I'm trying to provide the best value I possibly can. But my main priority that time was to just hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours to get my channel monetized. And it took me close to like a year or two, you know, before I actually started working with a guy. He was my first YouTube management guy. He did a good job, obviously. When I was working with him, like my few of my videos actually got viral, maybe 30-40,000 views, and I was surprised at one point. And after that, like after some time, my channel got monetized. After some point of time, I started to think I really gotta like level up my YouTube game. So I hired another guy, and after I think I hired him at 2,000 subscribers or 3,000, I don't remember. And he took my channel from that point to 7,000 subscribers. If I talk about editing, he knows it all. If I talk about creating thumbnails, he knows it all. If I talk about how to increase the click-through rate on the videos, he knows it all. So he has like this good information all around YouTube. And do you want to know what's his age? I think he's just 17 or 18. And just from me, he's making $1,000-$2,000 every single month. That's how easy it is to make money. Age at this point doesn't matter. If you have that skill, people are going to pay you. I'm just telling you a live example, guys, because my point of creating these videos, it is to put something real, which is legit out there, with some case studies which I can like back up on. So with that particular guy, like if I want to make specific changes, or like if I find like some problems in the videos, I just tell him like just cut this part out. There's spelling mistakes or whatever it is, any kind of mistake, or I'm not liking the sound. I made those edits like in real time with him. So if you can be that guy and provide the top-notch best quality services, and you know what, you can charge them $2,000-$3,000 a month. Crazy, right? You gotta just make these YouTubers feels like me, like you are sending me topics every single day to create videos on Google Docs with all the information, a kind of a CRM or maybe Notion platform, like where I can see which of my videos is going to be live this week. Like a smooth experience for a YouTuber like me, I would be more than willing to pay $1,000-$1,500 a month. But this is obviously, I'm not requesting you guys to reach out to me. Please, guys, my Instagram DMs are already full, and I really appreciate like you offering your services to me. But at this point, I'm just happy where I am. All right. But in the near future, if I do think to again level up, again I'm going to give like a few of you guys a chance for sure. But my entire point of this video, if you can get that knowledge, get those skills in, you can start charging them like $1,000-$1,500 for like editing 5-6 videos. And how you're going to do that is, again guys, skill shouldn't be an issue here. You have to, either if you have the skills, if you're a video editor, go for it. If you don't know how to like edit videos and whatnot, get the clients and hire video editors, delegate the task, hire people who can create thumbnails. So let's say if you're getting $1,500, maybe take $500 in expenses in terms of doing the SEO, thumbnails, video editing from Philippines, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India. Hire people, delegate it, and just keep that $1,000 to yourself. That's how easy it is. So delegation is the key. In my previous videos, I've already told you guys, like if you can delegate tasks again like extremely well, then you would be free most of the times, and you can do something more productive for your business. So I don't know guys, I've just told you a business idea here. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. I would just say this is an agency model. It's working for like guys like 16 years old, 17 years old. Then what do you think, like what's stopping you right now? Just ask yourself. But I guess that's pretty much it guys for the video. I wish you the luck. Keep taking action, just don't stop. Money loves speed. and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.